Hi, my name is Steven. I work at Objects Unlimited as a 3D designer, and today I'm going to take you through the process of taking your idea, the one that's in your head, and taking it through our design process and creating a 3D printed prototype of your idea. The first step is to understand the intent for your prototype. This will help us determine the material, the print method, the 3D modeling method that we use here at Objects to create your prototype. The next step that we'll do for you is take your concept and create a 3D model of it using one of our 3D modeling softwares. We use physical drawing and sketching as a means of understanding your concept visually in a 3D form. It isn't always necessary. What it always ends up being in the end is a 3D model created digitally on the computer using one of our 3D softwares. Naturally, as per the design process, we'll be more than happy to continue working with you on your prototype until it meets your needs, no matter how many iterations it takes. The next step is to determine the material for your prototype. Based on the intended use of your prototype, certain material properties will need to be considered. And once we know the intended purpose of your prototype, we can look at our catalog of materials that we can print with and determine which one is best suited for your project. If you need your prototype to be able to handle a far drop or take some abuse or handle high temperatures, or if it's just a really nice looking display model, this will help us determine what material is best suited for your project. Once we know the material, that'll help us dictate which printer we use for your prototype. Once we've determined the material, the printer, and we've set up your file, we can then get ready for printing and watch your prototype come to life. You can convey your idea to us in written form or through sketches or 3D models if you know how to make them and have them, and we will use whatever resources you have to help facilitate your prototype. One email or one phone call to Objects Unlimited can save you weeks of time and research. Feel free to reach out to us and let us bring your idea to life.